Hey everyone, this is my motor live on the water with the new prop. I fixed the issue since my last video when I initially demoed the motor, so check it out.
Kind of nice to have a motor that'll run itself. Really, you just have the sheer basics, the steer control, the throttle control, just those two things alone make it pretty nice. And the fact that it's so quiet that I can actually troll with it and not have to eat up my trolling motor battery, because then before I used to have my trolling motor battery on. Equally, it probably makes about the same amount of noise. So I believe with the extra, with a new prop, that I don't have to have the trim pinned down as much. The farther the trim is out, the faster the boat will be able to go, as long as it can get on plane with that tab. There we go. Okay. Obviously, if we lose our trim pull here in the middle of the water, in the middle of the lake, like, that'd be incredibly stupid. So make sure you have both hands on this at all times. See if we can get a little bit more speed out of this thing. Yeah, I do. Uh-oh, look at Buddy step up to the plate. It's coming.
Oh, it's a bass. Yeah.
Yay.
It's a smallmouth.
I know, it was a really aggressive little bugger, isn't he?
Oh my. Hold on. Let me show this again. Guys, look at this. A smallmouth. This is like the first bass. It's like the first bass for today. Gosh, look at that.
Make sure you get your bait up and that you don't get stuck on the bottom. The bass back.
Right.
There you go, bud. Good job. Get your
In conclusion, I love this motor. It's super quiet, runs like a gem, wastes almost no gas. I've been out 5 times, and I don't even think I'm down to 3/4 of a tank. It's great. I want to thank Fallon Marine for helping me tune this motor, and for Bass Pro Shops for initially giving me a great deal on this motor. Those two things combined. Now I can be free on the water, not have any worries, and I can fish without worrying about whether my motor's going to die with me going down the river. That's invaluable in itself, and I can enjoy time here with my son. Hope you all have the same experience on the water. Thank you much, guys. Tight lines.